Today we are putting two legendary iPhones head to head in a real world battery drain test. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 13. Both of these devices may look similar on the outside, but the real question is how do they perform when it comes to endurance? To keep things fair, both phones are set up under identical conditions: 100% battery charge, same Wi-Fi connections, equal screen brightness, and the same volume levels. No advantages, no excuses, just pure battery drain test. So, which one going to hold out longer? Will the iPhone 12 still prove its worth, or will be the iPhone 13's efficiency give it the edge? Let's find out.
around you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
iPhone 12 managed to power up for 6 hours and 31 minutes, which is still impressive considering its generation behind. But the clear winner today is the iPhone 13, lasting an outstanding 7 hours and 9 minutes before finally shutting down. That extra 38 minutes for screen on time might not sound massive on paper, but in real world use, it can easily be the difference between reaching for a charger at the end of the day or comfortably making it through. If you enjoyed this test and want to see more speed and battery comparisons just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more videos here on the channel.